It's amazing. It's exciting. It's independent study. Is this your classroom? Looking familiar? Do you have students who are disengaged in their learning, not making real-world connections with their content, have the interest, but lack the necessary skills for independent learning? Independent study. It's for you. With independent study, you get an emphasis on independence, differentiated instruction, real-world problem solving, the pursuits of personal interest. You can't go wrong with independent study. Do I have your attention yet? Do I have your attention? I hope I do. With just 9 payments of 99 cents, you could begin to implement independent study in your personal classroom. Now, let's learn a little bit further. Can't wait to share. This program is going to teach you how to not confuse aptitude with skill. Adapt the program when students' skill level do change, and we know they're gonna change. Utilize and teach different types of research. Integrate independent research into your daily teaching practice. Monitor your students' progress and believe in your students' ability to work independently. Now that's going to be a dynamic learning environment. Wow, can you believe it? It's gonna be you. With each payment of 99 cents, you will get another step towards your and your student success. Step 1, you're going to learn how to introduce independent learning to your students. You're going to grab their attention. You're going to get them excited, and you're going to explain the processes and set those expectations. Step 2, you're going to help your students select a topic. They are coming with ideas out of nowhere. We're going to harness them, narrow them, so that they can get their work completed and remain interested in their project. And step 3, third installment of 99 cents, you're going to provide support to your students as they organize their thoughts regarding their topic. Let's get that in a format that everybody can use. Can you believe it? Independent study is going to give you those things. But we're not done. We are not done. Step 4, you're going to aid your students in developing questions regarding their topic. Again, helping them narrow their focus so that they know what they need to do. Step 5, we're going to explore the many different methods of study, from descriptive to quasi-experimental. You will become familiar with the research methods that best fit the different types of questions, and then you're going to be able to teach those methods to your students. It's unbelievable. And step 6, you're going to clearly specify the steps in information gathering. Do your students know how to set up an interview? They are at the end of this program. Google is for the weak. Let's get some real information gathering going on. It's amazing. I can't even believe it. I can hardly contain myself. What is going to happen in your classroom is going to be amazing. Amazing. With independent study, 9 installments of 99 cents, and it is all yours. You're going to be one lucky person if you invest. Just saying. But we're not finished. No, we're not finished. It's 9 installments of 99 cents, and we got 3 more steps to go. 3 more steps. Independent study is not just about the written report. Explore all of the different ways to organize the information to be presented. They could do a video. They could do timelines. Let's see what kind of presentation best fits their information. Step 8, you're gonna help them be able to determine who their audience is and choose the best method to share their learning with them, with that audience. It's not just about the teacher anymore. It's about their peers. It's about their parents. You got to bring everybody in and engage your entire audience, not just about the teacher anymore. And lastly, it's all about that final product, right? You as a teacher need to be able to know how to assess their learning From criteria determination to creating and presenting those rubrics, you will be fully prepared to assess a student's learning. With what other program are you going to get all of those things? I don't think you are. I just don't think you are. Independent study, it's for you, your classroom, and for your students. And with it, you're going to create a brand new place to learn. Thank you so much. And remember, independent study, it's for you.